Hi, this is Dr. Sam. When I have patients who are experiencing pain and inflammation, I love to recommend Boswellia Complex. This unique blend of Boswellia, turmeric, celery seed, and ginger works synergistically to support the body's normal processes for tissue repair and promoting natural anti-inflammatory responses. My older patients dealing with arthritic pains rave about the relief that they get from using this product. I myself use it on my achy shoulder after adjusting all day. It works phenomenally. I also recommend it for IBS, gout, and patients who would benefit from increased circulation. If you're looking to support inflammation due to everyday wear and tear that we all put on our bodies, Boswellia Complex might be right for you.